You, out of here now! Now! Not one more word out of
I was finishing up a landscaping job when I noticed an elderly man struggling to pull a lawnmower through grass almost up to his knees. The mower kept jamming, and every few minutes he'd stop to catch his breath. Across the street, a neighbor stood in his driveway watching him. "The HOA already sent you 2 warnings," he shouted. "If that yard doesn't get cleaned up, you're getting fined again." I walked over and asked the man if he wanted help. He looked embarrassed before quietly explaining that he'd recently gone through back surgery and couldn't keep up with the yard anymore. His wife used to handle the flower beds before she passed away. Before I could answer, the neighbor laughed. "Don't waste your energy," he said. "That place has looked terrible for months." That was enough for me. I unloaded my mower and got to work. Almost instantly, the neighbor pulled out his phone and started recording me. "People think rules don't matter anymore," he complained. "That's the problem with this neighborhood." I ignored him and kept mowing. Within an hour, the whole property looked completely different. The tall grass was gone, weeds were cleared out, and fresh stripes stretched across the lawn. Right as I finished, an HOA management truck pulled up. The neighbor quickly walked over, pointing at the house. "Finally," he said, "someone needs to do something about this property." The manager stepped out, looked around at the freshly cleaned yard, then at the elderly man smiling from his porch. Then he turned toward the neighbor. "Actually, we're here because of complaints about residents harassing homeowners," he said. "That behavior violates HOA policy too." The neighbor immediately stopped talking and walked back inside. Before I left, the man shook my hand and quietly said, "My wife would have been happy seeing the yard look like this again." Sometimes helping someone matters more than rules and complaints. If you'd help a neighbor too, drop a heart and subscribe. Where are you watching from?